Hey, what's up YouTube? Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo here, and today we're at US-1158 where I'm going to work towards my Kilo Award. I only need 73 QSOs today. 73, lucky number. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like and share, and stay tuned to see if we get that Kilo Award. 73.
Park, Kilo India 7 Juliet Oscar Mike.
Whoop, park to park, Kilo Juliet 7 again.
Kilo India 7 Juliet Oscar Mike.
Kilo India 7 Juliet Oscar Mike. I have you at a 5-6 into 1158, Chris.
QSL, nice to meet you, Mike. I've got you 5-7 into Uniform Sierra 3160, Birch Bay State Park.
Roger, 5-7 into 3160. Thanks for the park to park. Good luck on your activation today in 7-3.
Thanks and good luck to you, 7-3.
This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Kilo 4 Mike Oscar Echo.
Kilo 4 Mike Oscar Echo 5858 Tom into US-1158 over.
Yeah, Roger, man. Got you 10 over S9 here in NorCal.
Roger, 10 over in NorCal. Hey, thanks for hunting. Have a wonderful Sunday in 7-3.
You too, 73.
Alpha Golf 6 Whiskey Golf.
Alpha Golf 6 Whiskey Golf. I have you at a 5-5 into Park 1158, Terry.
I have you 5-7 today. It sounds pretty good. Thanks for the contact in 7-3.
Thank you, 7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Kilo 7 Mike India Echo.
Kilo 7 Mike India Echo 5-6 into 1158 today, Tyson.
Roger, I got you 5-7, 57 back here in Idaho. Thanks again.
Hey, thanks for another one, Tyson. 7-3. This is Whiskey.
Kilo Juliet 7 Echo Papa.
Kilo Juliet 7 Echo Papa. I've got you at a 5-3, Wayne. 5-3 into 1158 in California, over.
Okay, thanks for the 5-3. You're about the same 5-3 into Western Montana. 73.
Thank you, 7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo CQ POTA QRZ.
Kilo 7 Yankee November Tango.
Kilo 7 Yankee November Tango. I have you at a 5-8, Bob. 5-8 into US-1158, over.
Same 5-8 Washington State.
All right, thanks for Washington. You're my 10th QSO, so officially activated. Thanks for hunting, Bob. Have a good Sunday. 7-3.
Woohoo! 73.
Kilo 7 Oscar Zulu Kilo Park to Park.
Kilo 7 Oscar Zulu Kilo Park to Park. I've got you at a 5-5 Jock 5-5 into US-1158 in California, over.
Okay, copy the 1158. I'm at US-2829. I just sat down and I got to get myself spotted and get started, but I heard you on the air, thought I'd check in.
Roger, I got you at Fort Stevens State Park in Oregon. Thanks for the park to park. Good luck on your activation, 7-3.
Okay, great. Have a great day, 7-3.
All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Whiskey 7, Tango Echo Echo.
Whiskey 7 Tango Echo Echo. I have you at a 5-5, Maria. 5-5 into 1158 today, over.
Thank you so much for that. You're 5-7 here. 5-7 Oscar Romeo.
Roger, the 5-7. You jumped up to a 5-9, so I'm going to change that in my log. Thanks for another contact there, Maria. Have a good rest of your Sunday, 7-3.
All right, thanks, Mike. 7-3.
All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Kilo.
Kilo Echo Germany.
Hey, Whiskey 0 Kilo Echo Germany. What's happening, Keg Man? I got you at a 5-5 today into US-1158, over.
Roger that. Hi, Mike. Thanks for 17, my friend. I got you 5-9 Mike November. Hey, enjoy the park. We'll talk soon. 73.
Hey, roger that. And you were hitting 5-9 plus on the peaks, bouncing up and down, so I updated that. 7-3, Keg Man. Good to hear you again. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the air and standing by. We're only 8 away from a Kilo Award. We're at 65. We need 7-3. Come on, come on. Who's it gonna be?
Calling CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air and standing.
I have a feeling right now.
Kilo Uniform 4, Kilo Sierra.
Kilo Uniform 4, Kilo Sierra. I've got you at a 5-5, Mike, 5-5 into 1158, over. Roger, 5-5 Tennessee, and you are my 1,000th QSO from this park, so I'm at the Kilo spot. Thanks for hunting. Have a good Sunday, 7-3.
Outstanding. Thank you for being sure do appreciate that. Thanks for being out there. 73 KU4KS.
All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Whiskey 0 Kilo Echo Germany.
Now he comes. Oh man, Keg man, I was hoping you'd be the 1,000th. I was just talking to the camera saying that would be cool, but you are my 1,000th and first 1001 contact from 1158, Keg man.
Yeah, roger that. Hey, congratulations, my friend. I am honored to be 1001. Yeah, I heard the other station talk about you getting your kilo. There'll be another one for sure, but I am honored and I am impressed, even at 1001, brother. Congratulations.
Hey, well, thank you. You're probably about 10 of those from this park. By the way, you're about 5 over 5'9", Keg man.
Well, on your 1001, man, you're 20 over 9 here in Mike November. You're sounding good, and your audio sounds really crystal clear. Hey, you got it all going on, Mike.
Hey, thanks, Keg man. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I think I'm going to stop on 15 here soon since I got the kilo and head home to the XYL. So I'll probably catch you next weekend. Have a good week. 7-3.
73, brother. By the way, we're on 15. Hi.
Oh yeah, I'm stopping after this band. I'm not going to any other bands.
Oh, I got it. Hey, enjoy your QRT evening. Put your feet up and enjoy. 73, Mike.
7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ. All right, YouTube, we did it. We actually got 77, so we got 4 over. Got a little buffer there. I'm pretty sure there's no dupe, so we got the kilo for 1158, and got the POTA fuel. Definitely need the POTA fuel for the kilo award. And then the usual Yaesu FTX1 Optima running the trusty Chameleon. I think this Chameleon probably has all 6 or 7 of my kilo awards on it. So great day today. It's probably about 65 degrees, nice and sunny, beautiful day to get my 1,000th QSO. And Kegman missed it by 1. Kegman was my 1,001, my 1001 contact for this park. Anyways, 7-3. Again, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo clear.